Hi everyone, Stephen Adams here. Welcome back to our technical indicators portion of the course. And today we're going to talk about the parabolic SAR and how to trade with this indicator. The parabolic SAR is also known as the stop and reversal system. The indicator is best used in a trending market, so we're not going to be using this indicator in a sideways market. We will have already identified either a bullish trend or a bearish trend in the stock or market that we're trading in order to use this indicator. The indicator is represented by a series of dots, which we'll see in just a moment, below the price in a bullish trend, and a series of dots above the price in a bearish trend. The indicator is best used as a way to set a stop for our trade when we're long in a bullish trend or short in a bearish trend. And you'll see how we use the indicator to set stops in the charts. So let's take a look at a few charts and see how the parabolic SAR can help our trading. While we'll be trading on an hourly chart, we're going to start with the daily chart of Microsoft, as we usually do, to identify the trend. As we said before, the parabolic SAR works best in a trending stock. So we can clearly tell from the daily chart that Microsoft is in a bullish trend. So now let's go to our hourly chart first. And at the top, we're going to click on indicators. We're going to type in PAR. We see the parabolic SAR here. Click that. Close this box. And we see the parabolic SAR as the stock is moving up. You can see the dots are underneath of the price. And then as there are pullbacks in the stock, you'll see the dots shift to above the price. Since we know the stock is in a bullish pattern, we're only going to be trading the long side. So if we start here on July 11th, we'll have a buy signal as the dots go under the price. We would get long here. When the dots shift here on July 16th, to be above the price, that's our stop. So we would sell at that point. We would have another buy indicator here and a sell. We wouldn't make very much on that trade. We wouldn't get back into the stock until here on July 19th when it enters another uptrend. And this would be our stop at this point on July 26th. We'd be back out of the stock. We wouldn't enter back into the stock until the 31st. We basically trade flat on this trade. We'd be stopped out here, enter back in on August 2nd. We'd have a nice move to the upside here, and so forth. That's how this indicator works on an hourly chart with Microsoft. Again, it's an indicator that you would preferably use in combination with other indicators or with other candlestick patterns. So let's take a look at how it looks on another chart. So let's take a look at Johnson & Johnson, which has been in a bullish trend for the past few months, given our daily chart. Again, we'll be trading on an hourly basis, but we're going to start with the daily chart. We see the uptrend here. So let's take a look at our hourly chart. We're going to pull back, give us a few days of trading time here. If we begin on July 25th, we would have had a buy signal here, entering around 128, an exit signal around 132. We would have had a buy signal here. This would have been a flat trade. We would have stayed out of the stock from August 6th through the 14th, and then another buy signal here on the 15th, just above 129, which would have kept us in the stock until August 21st, around 135. So that's the parabolic SAR on an hourly chart. Again, this indicator is best used with a trending stock or market, and is also best used in combination with either candlestick patterns or another indicator. So that covers the parabolic SAR, which is an indicator designed by Wells Wilder, who also designed the relative strength indicator, which we'll be talking about in a couple of videos. The next video will cover the MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator, which happens to be one of my favorite indicators. We'll see you in the next video.